If you're looking for the ultimate step-by-step guide on writing an effective business plan, this video is for you. Did you know that about 82% of businesses fail due to poor cash flow management? A well thought out business plan with sound financial planning can set your business venture up for success from the start. With my master's degree in finance, working the last years as a professional in the financial industry and evaluating and writing business plans throughout the last decade, I want to share with you what I learned about writing effective business plans today. I'm going to share my knowledge with you and guide you through the process of writing a business plan from start to finish, step by step. I'd appreciate if you'd hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're interested in more finance and entrepreneurship related content. So let's get started. Part 1, the importance of a business plan and strategy. Before we jump into the step-by-step process, it's crucial to understand why a well-crafted business plan is the key to your startup's success. First, a business plan acts as a roadmap for your venture, offering a detailed outline of your company's goals, strategies, and steps required to achieve them. With a clear vision in place, you're better equipped to tackle the challenges and obstacles that come with starting a business. You can consider your business plan as your personal GPS, guiding you through every twist and turn of your entrepreneurial journey. Secondly, a robust business plan is vital for securing funding. Investors and lenders need to know that you've thoroughly researched your idea and have a feasible plan for turning their investments into profits. A well-structured, diligently researched business plan with sound financial planning can make the difference between securing the financial support you need or being left empty-handed. Additionally, a business plan enables you to pinpoint potential risks and weaknesses in your venture. By thoroughly analyzing your industry, competition, and target market, you'll uncover potential challenges and roadblocks that you might not have considered otherwise. This foresight allows you to develop contingency plans, adapt, and stay one step ahead of the game and competition. You may also discover new opportunities that you didn't even know existed before. Lastly, a business plan serves as a vital tool for monitoring your progress and evaluating your success. By establishing clear objectives and benchmarks, you can track your company's growth and make data-driven decisions about its future. It also keeps you laser focused on your goals. In summary, a well-crafted business plan lays the foundation for a thriving startup. It provides you with a direction, focus, attracts funding, mitigates risk, and enables you to measure your success. With so much on the line, it's no surprise that countless entrepreneurs have built their businesses on the backbone of a solid business plan. Now let's dive into the steps you need to follow to create your own winning plan. Part 2, key components of a business plan and strategy. So by following this structure, you'll ensure that your plan is comprehensive, well organized, and investor ready. The different steps are: first, executive summary; second, company description; third, market analysis; fourth, organization and management; fifth, product or service line; sixth, marketing and sales strategy; seventh, financial projections; and eighth, strategic positioning and competitive advantage. So let's go into each one of the 8 steps in detail and discuss what to include. So let's start with the first, executive summary. Your executive summary is the first section potential investors will read, so make it count. In 1 to 2 pages, provide a high-level overview of your business, including your mission statement, target market, product or service offerings, and a brief description of your company's management team. Additionally, outline your financial projections and funding requirements. Think of your executive summary kind of like your elevator pitch. It should be concise, engaging, and leave your reader eager to learn more. The second section is company description. In this section, go deeper into your business details, explain your company's history, the problem you're addressing, and how your product or service solves that problem. Describe your business structure, ownership, and any partnerships you've established so far. Also, don't forget to mention any competitive advantages that set you apart from your competitors. The third part is the market analysis. A thorough market analysis demonstrates your understanding of the industry, competition, and target customers. Start by providing an overview of your industry, including its size, growth trends, and key players. Then conduct a competitive analysis, identifying your main competitors and evaluating their strengths and weaknesses. Finally, you need to define your target market with your ideal customer and detailing their demographics, psychographics, and buying habits. This information will be valuable when developing your marketing and sales strategies. The fourth part is the organization and management. Investors want to know that your company is managed by competent professionals, so use this section to introduce your management team and their qualifications. Begin by outlining your company's organizational structure, best in a graph, and then provide brief bios for each key team member, highlighting their relevant experience and expertise. If you have an advisory board, include it here and external consultants as well. The fifth part is your product or service line. Here is where you will show your product or service in detail. Describe its features, benefits, and any intellectual property you own, like patents, copyrights, or trademarks. Explain your product's lifecycle as well, including its development stage, anticipated launch date, and plans for future growth. If applicable, discuss any research and development activities you're currently undertaking or plan to pursue. The sixth part is marketing and sales strategy. This section is all about explaining how you'll attract and retain customers. Begin by detailing your marketing strategy, including your overall approach, target audience, and marketing channels, like for example, social media, content marketing, paid advertising. Next, outline your sales strategy, describing how you'll acquire new customers and generate repeat business. Be sure to discuss your sales process from the lead generation to closing the deal and any sales tools or resources that you will take advantage of. The seventh part is a really important one as well, which is the financial projections. Investors are particularly interested in this part of your business plan as it provides them insight into your company's financial health and growth potential. So develop a realistic financial projection, including a profit and loss statement, cash flow statement, and a balance sheet for at least 3 years. Be prepared to explain the assumptions behind your projections and any risks that could impact your financial performance. If you're seeking funding, specify how much you need and how you will use the funds. The eighth part is the strategic positioning and competitive advantage of your company. In this crucial section, you'll outline the unique value proposition your business offers in the market and how it differentiates itself from competitors. Start by identifying the key factors that set your company apart, such as an innovative technology, exceptional customer service, or a unique business model. Then explain how these factors give your business a competitive edge and how you plan to maintain the advantage over time. It's essential to consider both your direct and indirect competitors in this analysis. So be honest about their strengths and weaknesses and demonstrate how your company can outperform them in the long run. By showcasing a clear understanding of your competition and positioning your business strategically, you reassure investors and partners that you have the foresight and adaptability to succeed in a dynamic market. So, to help you write out a compelling business plan, you can keep the following tips in mind that helped me quite a lot. First, be clear and concise. Your business plan should be easy to read and understand. So avoid any industry jargon and stick to your clear, concise language. Remember, potential investors and partners may not have the same level of expertise in your industry or field, so it's really important you communicate your ideas in a way that is really accessible to everyone. Second, use data to support any claims you make. Whenever possible, back up your statements with data and research. This not only gives credibility to your business plan, but also demonstrate that you've done your homework and research and deeply understand your market. Use reputable sources and be prepared to cite them whenever needed. Third, be realistic yet optimistic. While it's important to be optimistic about your business's potential, it's also crucial to be realistic. So don't over-understand any financial projections or make exaggerated claims about your product's market appeal. Investors will appreciate a well-grounded plan that strikes the right balance between ambition and realism. 4. Tailor your plan to your audience. Consider who will be reading your business plan and customize your message accordingly. For example, if you're seeking funding from a venture capitalist, emphasize your company's growth potential, scalability, and financials. If you're targeting a strategic partner, for example, focus on how your collaboration will benefit both of you. The fifth tip is edit and revise. So once you've completed your first draft, take some time to review it and revise your business plan. Look for any inconsistencies, gaps in information, or areas where you can improve clarity. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from trusted advisors, mentors, or colleagues to ensure your plan is as strong as possible. Take the time to polish your business plan and carefully proofread for grammar, spelling errors, and ensure that your formatting is consistent throughout it. A well-written, professional-looking plan will make a strong impression on any potential investors and partners, helping you take your business to the next level. So tip number 6 is finalize and present. After making any necessary revisions, it's time to finalize your business plan. So ensure that your plan is professionally formatted with a clear structure and easy to read design. When presenting your plan to potential investors and partners, be prepared to answer questions, provide additional information, and confidently explain your vision for the future. By following these guidelines and including the key components we've discussed, you can create a comprehensive and effective business plan that sets the foundation for your company's success. So as you work on your business plan, it's crucial to be aware of some common mistakes entrepreneurs make and learn from them. To set you on the right path, let's go over some of the most important ones and some additional tips for avoiding them. Number 1 is not defining your target market clearly. One of the most common mistakes is failing to identify your target market clearly. To avoid this, conduct thorough research to identify your ideal customer, including demographics, psychographics, and buying habits. A well-defined target market helps you to create a more targeted marketing and sales strategy to ultimately increase your chances of success. A second common mistake is overlooking the competition. Ignoring or underestimating your competition can lead to an unrealistic view of your business's potential. So conduct a comprehensive and competitive analysis to identify your main competitors and evaluate their strengths and weaknesses. Use this information to develop strategies that differentiate your business and company and position you as a strong contender in the marketplace. The third common mistake is insufficient financial projections. Providing insufficient or overly optimistic financial projections can raise red flags for investors and hinder your ability to secure funding. So develop realistic financial projections based on solid assumptions and industry benchmarks. Be prepared to explain the rationale behind your projections, assumptions, and any risks that could impact your financial performance. The fourth common mistake is focusing too much on the product and not enough on the market. While it's important to show your product or service, don't forget to emphasize the market opportunity. Investors are interested in businesses that can demonstrate a clear market need and the potential for growth. To find the right balance, describe your product or service in detail and provide a comprehensive market analysis, including industry trends, competition, and target customers. Common mistake number 5 is a poorly organized or incomplete plan. A poorly organized or incomplete business plan can give the impression that you're not serious about your business or lack any attention to detail. So ensure your plan is well structured, easy to read, and contains all the essential components. So double check for any inconsistencies or gaps in information. Ask for feedback from trusted advisors or colleagues as well. Here are some more tips to avoid mistakes while writing your business plan. Number 1, be authentic. When writing your business plan, be true to your vision and unique strengths. Emphasize what sets you apart from the competition and why your business is worth investing in. Second, be flexible. Remember that a business plan is not set in stone, so be prepared to make adjustments as you learn more about your market, customers, and industry trends as you make research. Third, seek feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from mentors, colleagues, or other entrepreneurs. Constructive criticism can help you refine your plan and increase your chances of success. And fourth, keep it simple. Avoid any technical jargon and keep your writing clear and concise. Your business plan should be easy to understand, even for someone unfamiliar with your industry. By avoiding these common mistakes and implementing these tips, you will create a strong business plan that can help move your business forward and set the stage for long-term growth. So let's get to part 5, the presentation and formatting. A professional and visually appealing presentation is essential when crafting a business plan, as it can make a big impact on how your ideas are perceived by potential investors or partners. So number 1, use clear language and concise sentences. To effectively communicate your ideas, it's crucial to use clear language and concise sentences. So avoid again any jargon, industry-specific terms, and complex language that may confuse readers unfamiliar with your industry. By keeping your writing straightforward, you will ensure that your business plan is accessible and easy to understand for a wide range of audiences. Second, include visuals to support your points. Visuals such as charts, graphics, and images can enhance your business plan by providing visual support for your points and making your document more engaging. Use visuals to illustrate important data trends or concepts but ensure that they are relevant and contribute to the overall understanding of your plan. Additionally, make sure that all visuals are clear, high quality, and properly labeled, and make sure that they're correct. So don't use any manipulated data, present the data as it is. Third, follow established formatting guidelines. Using templates or following established formatting guidelines can improve the consistency and readability of your business plan. This includes using a standard font style and size, consistent headings and subheadings, and appropriate spacing and margins. A well-organized and formatted plan not only looks professional, but also makes it easier for readers to navigate and absorb the information presented. 4. Ensure visual appeal. A visually appealing business plan is more likely to capture the attention of potential investors and partners. So use design elements such as color, typography, and layout to create a cohesive and professional look. But don't overdo it. Keep that design clean and simple to maintain focus on the content and data. By using clear language, concise sentences, visuals, and consistent formatting, you'll create a professional and visually appealing business plan that stands out and effectively presents your vision for your business. So let's get to part 6, seeking feedback and continuous improvement. Seeking feedback and continuously improving your business plan is crucial for the long-term success of your business. So as you develop your business plan, reach out to mentors, peers, and industry experts for feedback. These persons can offer valuable insights and perspective that you may not have considered, helping you to refine your plan and strengthen your strategy. By incorporating their feedback, you can increase the chances of your business succeeding in a competitive landscape. Be open to constructive criticism as well. So embrace constructive criticism and use it as an opportunity for growth and improvement. Being receptive to feedback allows you to identify potential weaknesses in your plan, make necessary adjustments, and ultimately create a stronger, more viable business strategy. Keep in mind that the goal is to improve your plan, so be willing to make changes based on the input you get. Additionally, emphasize continuous improvement in your business and in your business plan creation. The concept of continuous improvement is very important in the ever-changing world of business. So as market conditions, industry trends, and customer preferences change, your business plan must change as well. So let's go to part 7, which are resources and support. As you start your business planning journey, it's really important to tap into various resources and support networks that can guide you and provide valuable insights. So what are those? Number 1 can be books, websites, and online tools. There are many books, websites, and online tools available to help you create a comprehensive business plan. I've linked them down below so you can have a look at them as well. Secondly, networking and industry events are really important as well. So connecting with local entrepreneurial networks, attending industry conferences, and participating in online forums can also expand your knowledge, network, and provide valuable insights. A third possibility is funding and mentorship opportunities. So you can explore various funding and mentorship opportunities to support your startup journey. Incubators, accelerators, or government programs can help with resources, mentorship, and financial backing to help your business grow. Overall, a well-designed business plan is crucial. So by incorporating strategy, presentation, feedback, and continuous improvement, you'll create an effective business plan that sets your business up for success and sets you apart from your competition. Alright, that's it for today's video. I'd appreciate a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and turn on the bell for more content on personal finance, investing, and business. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.